In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a polygon in AutoCAD. To create a polygon in AutoCAD, start by typing POL and press Enter to activate the Polygon command. AutoCAD will ask you to enter the number of sides for the polygon. Type the number of sides you need and press Enter. Next, click anywhere in the drawing area to specify the center point of the polygon. After selecting the center point, choose whether you want the polygon to be inscribed or circumscribed. Then enter the desired radius value and press Enter. AutoCAD will automatically create the polygon based on the number of sides and the size you entered. The Polygon command is useful when you need to create accurate shapes with multiple equal sides. It helps you quickly create geometric objects while maintaining consistent proportions and precise measurements. You can repeat the same process whenever you need another polygon. Start the Polygon command, enter the number of sides, select the center point, choose the polygon type, and enter the required radius. When you are finished creating your polygon, press Enter to end the command. And that's how to make a polygon in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.